Welcome to Don Carinderia series. A bit of a sad news. Recipes at Greenbelt is now gone. So instead of fretting, I'll show you how you can create your Gising Gising from scratch. Let's start cooking! On low heat, we will saute our ginger first. We'll add in the onions and cook it until translucent. Then we will add our garlic. Be sure not to burn them. Next, we'll add in our ground pork. It is time to season our dish with salt and a generous amount of ground pepper. To add umami to the dish, add some fish sauce. We'll let it cook for a while. We'll add coconut cream and then bring it to a boil. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we'll add our Baguio Beans. Mix everything together. I personally like my Gising Gising to be extra crunchy, so cook this for about 5 minutes. Lastly, we'll add our chili flakes. Simmer for another minute and you're good to go. I guarantee this will become your instant favorite, Gising Gising. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.